In this video, we will show you how to replace your cam position sensor on this Chevy Trailblazer with a 4.2-liter engine. This will be located right along the top passenger side front of your engine. Let's get into it. Okay friend, let's get started on our job. The first thing I want to mention is you want to make sure the engine's cool to the touch because we are going to be working right next to your upper radiator hose and we don't want you to get burnt. Along this sensor, you're going to find that you have an electrical connector that you will have to remove. This has a gray lock holding the sensor in place. You can use a pick or small screwdriver for this. We just want to try to slide that gray lock out of the way. Then we can squeeze on the locking tab to separate this. There's that. Quick inspection, we will be reusing it. We'll squeeze on this tab. Once you have that out of place, the next thing you want to do is pay attention for corrosion. If you see anything in there, you need to make sure you clean it out. This one looks fine. I'll set it aside. With the wiring disconnected, have a look just underneath the sensor. You're going to find a 10mm headed bolt. We'll remove that, cover the serpentine belt with something to protect it from the oil, and remove the sensor. We'll give that mounting hardware a quick inspection and we can set this aside for now. Now that I place a towel over the belt, we'll carefully tug this sensor out of here. If you have to pry it, you just want to be very careful not to break it off in the engine. There it is, friend. Now with the sensor out of there, let's clean and inspect the mounting hole. All right, let's get ready to install our brand new camshaft position sensor. You'll find that I applied a thin amount of motor oil around the O-ring here. When we go to install this in the engine, have the bolt hole facing down with the connector facing forward. Let's slide this into place. Just give it a little wiggle while applying some pressure. Slide that right in up against the engine. Align your mounting bolt hole. Start in that mounting bolt by hand. Let's get this rag out of here. Now we can snug this up and torque it to 89 inch-pounds. Right there is bottomed out. Let's grab our torque wrench. We'll get this on here, carefully torque it to 89 inch-pounds. Be careful, you don't want to break that sensor. Now that we have that torqued, the next thing we'll do is continue on with our electrical connector. You just want to press this in and listen for a click. Before I do that, I want to show you the way that this locking tab will work. Once you have it in place, you want to take this and slide it in. That center tab will go in and behind this locking tab, holding it so it cannot break free while you're driving down the road. Let's get this pressed in. We'll listen for a click from that. Give it a nice tug, trying to separate it. Obviously, you don't want to break it. And now we'll continue on with our gray locking connector piece here. You saw exactly how it goes. We'll just get it lined up and slide it in. We'll just confirm that's locked in. Okay, friend, we showed you how to install the camshaft position sensor on your vehicle. Hop in the passenger compartment, start it up, and let your vehicle run for a little while. We want to make sure that we don't have a running condition and no check engine light. Once you've done that, go ahead and take your vehicle for a road test. Thanks for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.